Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok messages. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok messages, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on the window of storage. After that we click on clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.